Performance measures for the sacred, team-centered approach to advanced gastrointestinal endoscopy. European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy, ESGE, Quality Improvement. Abstract. The European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy and United European Gastroenterology have defined performance measures for upper and lower gastrointestinal, pancreaticobiliary, and small bowel endoscopy, quality indicators to guide endoscopists in the growing field of advanced endoscopy are also underway. They propose that equal attention is given to developing the entire advanced endoscopy team and not the individual endoscopist alone. They suggest that the practice of teams intending to deliver high-quality advanced endoscopy is underpinned by 6 crucial principles concerning selection, acceptance, complications, reconnaissance, envelopment, and documentation, or SACRED. Introduction. Diagnostic endoscopy is well established with defined standards of practice. In 2015, the European Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy, ESGE, and United European Gastroenterology, UEG, identified the quality of endoscopy as a major priority. This led to the commissioning of the ESGE Quality Improvement Committee, QIC, to develop performance measures for the domains of upper gastrointestinal, GI, lower GI, pancreaticobiliary, and small bowel endoscopy, and for the endoscopy service. Meanwhile, advanced therapeutic endoscopy is constantly evolving, with new techniques frequently emerging and progressively becoming more complex. The development of quality indicators for advanced endoscopy is now also underway. However, there is a need to look beyond just the technical skills required of individual advanced endoscopists. When delivering high-quality endoscopy, the importance of non-technical skills should be emphasized. Good communication and decision-making skills are just as essential as the mechanical dexterity required for endoscopy. Moreover, training of the whole endoscopy team is as important as that for the individual endoscopist. Advanced therapy is associated with a higher risk of adverse events, AEs. Effective team working is crucial in high-risk trades, as is evident in the aviation industry, and is not a foreign concept to endoscopy services. Yet the notion of defining the model qualities of an endoscopy team has remained unexplored. In a burgeoning area of advanced therapeutics, ensuring that teams are equipped with the necessary repertoire of skills is more relevant than ever. In this position statement, the authors describe practical guidelines for building a team capable of mastering the challenges of advanced endoscopy. This process dedicates attention to 6 domains: selection, acceptance, complications, reconnaissance, envelopment, and documentation, or SACRED. Methods. The multi-step process involved in developing performance measures has previously been described. The Advanced Endoscopy Team Working Group was formed in May 2021 following initial meetings. A comprehensive literature search on the topic of advanced endoscopy teams was performed but yielded no evidence. Statements were therefore constructed using the PICOS, Population Patient, Intervention, Comparison, Outcome, Study Design framework. A systematic search was performed for literature on team working in endoscopy and other team-orientated procedures and occupations. When statements were being formulated, articles were graded for evidence levels and recommendation strengths using the Grading of Recommendation, Assessment, Development, and Evaluation (GRADE) system. Members of the working group provided comments on proposed statements during an initial video conference. The Delphi method was used to negotiate agreements on the position statements. All members were informed of the methodology. Statements were adjusted and/or excluded during iterative Delphi rounds by working group members. Adjustments made in each round were documented. A cutoff for accepting statements as the consensus was set at reaching 80% agreement, summative of strongly agree and agree. A total of 3 Delphi rounds was set a priori as the maximum opportunity to come to an agreement on a statement. The final consensus statements described below refer to 80% agreements that were already achieved by the second voting round of the Delphi process.